Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to be unboxing See New, the skincare box, and I think this is for July and August. It's a bi-monthly subscription, so every other month I get a box. So this is my third box. My first box I really loved. The second one was okay, but let's just see what this third box has. And what I like about it is that they offer products from one brand and they're all full size. And it always has a card in here. So it looks like this bi-monthly brand is called Forest Rhapsody. And these are the products that are in here. So I'll go through these as I open up the box and go through the products. Okay. See what they have. All right, so this first one is called Good Earth. It's a CoQ10 plus vitamins, the Nazca mask, and again it's from Forest Rhapsody, and this is 1 fluid ounce. So let's take a look at this. Here's what it looks like. Right, so there it is. Let's see. It's not gritty. It smells okay. I like that. So let's see what it says about the Good Earth. So it just says results purify, nourish, and repair. And it says it works wonders as a spot treatment. Dab on troubled spots and leave on for a few hours or even overnight if your skin can handle it. So that's nice. So you can use it as an overnight mask as well. Then we have here 1000 Petals Flower Acid Resurfacing Mask. And this is also 1 fluid mask. And let's see what it says about 1000 Petals. It says results renew, regenerate, and revitalize. And it says tips on days your skin feels congested. Use 1000 Petals as a quick mini treatment. Apply a thin layer and massage gently for 10 to 20 seconds before rinsing it clean. 1000 Petals, that sounds pretty too. So I wonder if it smells like flowers. We'll see. All right, so not sure if that comes up on camera. Okay, so this is, again, it's not gritty. Smells nice. So that's that. All right, then here is this one called Barrier Warrior. Multi-grain peptides plus ceramide gel. Again, 1 fluid ounce. I like the colors of the boxes too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's see if I can. So this has a dropper. I'm just going to put a little bit here. That too, it smells nice. And so this is, let's see, Barrier Warrior. It says results repair, revitalize, and restore. And the tips are Barrier Warrior is the perfect lightweight moisturizer for both day and night for skin in need of a real boost of hydration and nutrients. Layer on a generous amount and Barrier Warrior will function gorgeously as a sleeping mask. Okay, so can use that as well. I think I like the way I like this box. Green Nectar Marine Hydrator, and this is 1.9 fluid ounces. Let's see if I can open this box. Okay, so this is, oh, it looks like maybe you have to shake it because it does look like there's something there at the bottom, but again, look how nice and big these bottles are. That's what I like about this, is that I get to try one brand with all their products. That's what I really like about the See New skincare It smells good. And I really wanted a box with just skincare, so I'm really happy with this. So this smells really good. And let's see what it says about green nectar. So it says results: hydrate, soothe, plump. And the tips are: add a few drops of your favorite facial oil to 1 to 2 pumps of green nectar and massage this mixture onto your skin. This hydrating serum is a superior delivery system, sending the oil into your skin where it needs it most. So that's that one. And we are not done. Okay, so there's one last thing in here. This is a huge box. So this is called Dewdrops Enzymatic Cleansing Gel, and it's 3.7 fluid ounces. This is huge. Ooh, look at that. So that's that. Ooh. Okay, let's see. This smells really good. Really, really good. Okay. Let's see if I can get that back on. Okay, and what it says about Dewdrops is, let's see where you're at here. Okay, so it says, results: cleanse, nourish, and treat. The ritual: massage a generous portion on dry face and neck, moving in a circular motion to dissolve makeup and daily grime. Remove with a warm, wet face cloth, or emulsify with a few drops of warm water and rinse off. And the tips are: as you cleanse with Dewdrops, work in a brief and gentle lymphatic facial massage to aid blood circulation. So this is the cleansing. Let's see if I can put this so you can see it again. So again, this is the Dewdrops 3.7 fluid ounces. This was the green nectar, the marine hydrator. This was the barrier warrior, which is the multi-grain peptides and ceramides gel. And then we had this, the Good Earth, CoQ10 and vitamins, the Naka mask. And then the 1,000 Petals was, it's hard to read on here, but the 1,000 Petals, where are you, is a face mask, flower acid resurfacing mask. So again, they're all full size, and I'm looking forward to using this. I like the way everything smells and looks. And I think this is all, I don't want to say vegan, but natural. So they're all natural. And again, you get to try one brand and all the products in that brand. And again, it's bi-monthly, so every 2 months I get this. So I think I did I want to say a 6-month subscription. So this is my 3rd box, and I'm really looking forward to using this. Again, it's from Forest Rhapsody, and it just tells you how to use the products. And again, the box is the See New Skincare from the skincare box. So if you have any questions on this, just let me know, and I'd be happy to let you know. Hope everyone is doing well, and I will see you soon. Take care.